Hello to all of you. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to use a series of fan pages. Automatic comment on posts on the customer's personal page. First, you go to the viral marketing section of MKT Page software. Select comment according to UID. Next, you set up for yourself the configuration as the number of accounts running simultaneously. The second is the client's UID, profile UID. As you can see, I've added a lot of customer UIDs. Next, select the content you want to comment on. And finally, select the Facebook account and select the fan page and click Start. As you can see, the software opens a series of browser tabs. Each browser tab is an account, a fan page. Software will automatically use your fan page directly in the personal page of the customer. Comment directly on any post. Then with this feature, you can reach hundreds of thousands of customers every day. Fully automatic. If you want to use the software, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp at the bottom of the description.